From time to time, you might want to export the asbestos register. This could be so you can do some sort of data manipulation outside of our system, perhaps create some different types of charts or something like that, or maybe even just to present the register to your clients. So to export the register for a site, all you need to do is, first of all, navigate to the site. And there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either navigate this way by pressing the View Site button, or alternatively you could do it from here as well. I'm going to use the View Site button on this one here. So on this screen you can see all of the risks and other items that have been surveyed during the asbestos survey. Now the export button is tucked away here on the right, so if I press this button here, you'll notice it will prepare in the background and then it'll create this XLSX file. I'm going to open this up and you can see here this is the data that's been exported. If I scroll to the right, you'll see we have information about the building, level, location, item, material, and then crucially this ACM column here is going to show whether it's been an asbestos containing material or not. So if you wanted to, you could then filter this list down in your spreadsheet program, whether it's Excel or Google Sheets or something like that. Then you can do this kind of manipulation in that spreadsheet program. You'll notice also that the fiber types, sample IDs and so on are included here as well as the material scoring. So these are the things that make up the material score, including the fiber type as well, and the material score is the overall score that's been derived from these individual things. And if I scroll further to the right, you can see also whether the item's been removed and whether it's been confirmed. So in this particular case, I haven't actually confirmed this report. I haven't given it that extra sense check just to make sure everything's correct. So I would want to do that first before I export this. But that's not a problem here. I can go back into the sites view here and then actually confirm the items like so, and then just re-export it once I'm finished. So just to recap, if you want to export the asbestos register from a site, first of all, just export all the items and then you can manipulate that however you want outside of the system.